Hello.
Cô là thấy con đâu?
Hi.
Đâu, mẹ đang mở tiếng đâu.
Hello. Hi.
Hello teacher.
Hi, good evening.
Hi teacher.
Oh, hi. So you're Kwan, right? Are you Kwan?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought your brother will be the first one. I thought Koi will be the first one.
Hello teacher.
Yeah, Koi. We will start. Oh, no, not this one. So you'll be the first one, okay, Koi? You'll be the first one, and then after is Kwan, right?
Yeah.
You'll be the first, and then next is Kwan. All right, yeah. Okay. I'll talk to you later, Kwan. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Yeah. All right. Hi. So let me talk with Koi. Hi, Koi. Good evening. Good evening. Can you say good evening? You know
Good
good evening?
evening.
Yeah. All right. So, yeah, how are you today? How are you, Kwan?
Yes,
How are you? Are you happy today? Are you good? How are you? Hmm. I don't understand it. How are you?
I'm
How are you? Are you happy? Sad? Good? Fine?
yes.
Yeah. What yeah? What yes? I'm good. I'm good. Sad? You good? I'm good.
I'm good.
I'm good. Thank you. Can
I'm
you say
good,
that?
thank you.
Yeah, it's better. It's better. I'm good. Thank you. Yeah, you can
Yeah.
say that. Okay? So when I ask you, Koi, how are you? I'm good. Thank you.
I'm
Okay?
good, thank you.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to say. When someone asks you, how are you? I'm good. Thank you. All right. Good job. Good job. All right. So, Koi, did you go to school? Did you go to school? Hmm? Did you go to school? Yes?
Yes,
Yes, I did. Can you
that
say
I
yes?
do.
Yeah, yes, did. It's did. Uh-huh.
Yes,
Did
yes.
you go to school? Yes, I did. Did you go to school? Yes, I did. Can you say that? Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Yes, that's right. All right. So, what time do you go to school? What time do you go to school?
Thấy trường nghe được.
What time do you go to school? What time?
Mấy giờ chưa?
What time?
Mấy giờ?
6 o'clock?
6.
6 o'clock?
Nói
6 o'clock?
6. Yes.
6 o'clock in the morning? Oh my gosh, it's so slow. In the morning? 6 a.m.? 6 a.m.?
Yes.
Okay, you can say that. I go to school at 6 o'clock. Can you say that? I go to school at 6 o'clock.
I go to school at 6 o'clock.
Yeah, what time do you come home?
Bây giờ
What
mình
time do you come home?
không chơi.
Hmm. What time do you come home?
10 o'clock. O'clock.
Oh, I come home at 10 o'clock. Can you say that again?
I
Huh?
come home at 10 o'clock.
You come home at 10 o'clock. All right, again. Koi. How are you, Koi? How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Yes, that's right. Did you go to school? Did you go to school?
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did. Good job. What time do you go to school? What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 6 o'clock.
Yes, very good. And what time do you come home?
I come home at 10 o'clock.
Ah, yeah, okay. Do you come back to school in the afternoon?
Yes, I did.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. The question is, do you go back to school in the afternoon? The question is do you go back to school in the afternoon? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Okay. Do you go back to school? Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. All right, good job. Ah, and what time do you come home in the afternoon? Oh, so slow. Again. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait a minute. What time do you come home in the afternoon? Mm.
1 o'clock.
In at home? Oh, there's a, what's this? You come to school, you come home at 1 o'clock? You come home at 1 o'clock? Come home? No. No, you go back to school at 1 o'clock. You go back to school at 1 o'clock, right? You go back to school at 1 o'clock, right?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, okay. So you can say that I go back to school at 1 o'clock. And what time do you come home? What time do you come home in the afternoon? What time do you come home in the afternoon? 4, 4, 5,
Um,
4, 3,
4 o'clock.
4, 4.
Yes.
And come home at
Yes.
4.
O'clock.
Yeah, we can use 4 o'clock. All right, this is a bit long now. Again. All right, again. Koi, do you go back to school? What time do you go back to school and you come home? I go back
I go back to school at 1 o'clock
and
and come home at 4 o'clock.
yes, good job, good job. All right, very good. All right. Koi. So it's 6:39. Have you eaten? Have you eaten your dinner? Have you have you had have you had your dinner?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I
Yes, I haven't.
have. Yes, I have. Yes. 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 No.
Yes,
Yes, I have. Yes, I have.
yes, I have.
What did you eat? What did you eat? Rice? Did you eat rice? I ate. Yeah. What did you eat? What did you
Fish
eat?
and
Ah, okay,
chicken.
fish. Fish and
Chicken.
I ate fish and chicken. How about rice? Did you eat rice? Rice.
And rice.
Yeah, I ate fish. Okay, maybe you can say I ate rice, fish, and chicken for dinner. Can you say that? What did you eat, Koi? What did you eat for dinner?
I eat rice, fish, and chicken for dinner.
Oh, where did it go? Oh, okay. So let me just rename you. I'll just write your name here. Yeah, so I won't forget. I changed your name. All right, so you ate rice, fish, and chicken for dinner. Wow, I like fish and chicken too. Do you like fish? Do you like fish, Koi?
Yes.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
How about chicken? Do you like chicken?
Yes, I
Do you?
do.
You do. All right, I do too. I also like it. All right. Oh, this is so, Koi, we will start our lesson now. We're going to try to use this book. This is Everybody Up One. Okay, so this will be your book. We will try to use this. We will try to use this book. I mean, we will try to use this book. Okay, 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 okay. So this is Everybody Up. All right. So we're going to
Yes.
have this one. Welcome. We will start with the first page. So I want you to listen first. It says here, listen, Koi. Okay. We will listen. We will read and say. Okay. We will listen first. Are you ready now to listen? Ready?
Yes.
Ready. All right. Let's start.
Page 2. Welcome. A. Listen, read, and say. 1.
I'm a student. I'm doing my homework in my bedroom. My desk is next to my bed. My favorite subject is math. What's your favorite subject?
All right. So now you're going to read it, Koi. Please read number 1. I'm
I'm a
student. Student.
student. I'm doing my homework in my bedroom. My desk is next to my bed. My favorite subject is math. What's your favorite subject?
Okay. All right. Yeah. Do you understand it, Koi? Do you understand this? Do you understand it? Yes or no? Do you understand this? A little? A little? A little? A little?
Yeah.
A little? Yeah? Yeah. Okay. Okay. So let's try to understand it. But before we talk about this, can you read this one again? Desk. Can you say desk?
Desk.
Desk.
Desk. Desk.
Next. Next.
Next.
Good
Next.
job. Subject.
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 And this one, math.
Math. Math.
So you have to pronounce this one, math.
Math.
Math. Math.
Math.
Math.
Math.
You should be blowing air. Okay. This is how you're going to sound the th sound. To make the th sound, you have to blow air like this. Yeah. Yeah.
Math.
Your tongue should be touching your upper teeth. Your tongue should be
Math.
touching the back of your upper teeth.
Math. Math. Math.
Math. Math.
Math.
Math.
Math.
Yes.
Math.
Yeah. Just keep on practicing that. Okay? Just keep on practicing that. So you will eventually get it. All right. So yeah, so we have the desk. Desk is this one. This is desk.
Desk.
Desk is the table. Okay? Desk is a table. Okay? Koi? A desk is a table. Okay?
There is a table.
Do you understand it? Do you understand?
Desk is a table.
Yeah. Do you understand it? Do you understand it? Hmm? Desk is a table? Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So a desk is a table. Subject, we have subject, which is math. All right. So I think you understand it. All right. So, Koi, who is she? What's her name? What's her name?
Julie.
Yeah. Okay. Can you say her name is
He
Julie?
named Julie.
Her name is Julie. Again. Can you say that? Her name is Julie.
Julie.
Okay. Or you can say she is Julie. Okay, you can say her name is Julie or she is Julie. All right, one more time. What's her name?
Her name is Julie.
Yes, that's right.
She is Julie.
What's her name? Who is she? Who is she?
She is Julie.
Yes, that's right. She is Julie. Who is she? She is Julie. What's her name? Her name is Julie. Okay, again.
Her name,
All right, Koi. Who is she?
who's she?
She is. Who is she?
She.
She is Julie. She is Julie.
She is Julie.
What's her name? Her
Her
name?
name is Julie.
Yes. Good job. Good job. Very good. All right. So, who is Julie? Who is Julie? Who is
Student.
Julie? She is a student. Can you say that? She's a student.
She is student.
She's a student.
She is student.
Yeah. All right. What is she doing? What is Julie doing? Koi. What is Julie doing? Yeah. Hmm.
Doing my homework.
Okay, yeah, that's right. What is she doing? She is doing her homework. All right, one more time. What is she doing? What is she doing? She
She is
is.
doing her homework.
Yes, that's right. What is she doing? She is doing her homework. Very good. All right, and where is her desk? Where is her desk? Koi, where is her desk? Where is her desk? Koi.
Bedroom.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. It's next. Oh, it's in her bedroom. Desk. How about her desk? Where is her desk? Where is her desk? Yes, Koi. Her desk. Her
Desk
desk.
is next
Her
to her
to
bed.
to
Her
her.
bed. Bed.
Yes, that's right. Her desk is next to her bed. Her desk is next to her bed.
Her desk is next to her bed.
Yes, good job, good job. And what is Julie's favorite subject, Koi? What is Julie's favorite subject? Mhm.
Math.
Yeah, that's right. Her
Her
favorite
math.
subject, her favorite subject.
Her math.
Again. Can you say that? Her favorite subject is math. Her favorite subject is math.
Her favorite subject is math.
Yes, good job. Very good. How about you, Koi? How about you? What's your favorite subject? My
Môn thể dục.
my favorite subject is
My favorite subject is English.
oh wow, that's nice. Yeah. I know, I remember. I remember. I remember it. You told me about it during our first meeting, right? Yeah, I remember you told me. Right, Koi? Yeah, right? All right.
Yes.
So now we're going to have number two. Okay, we will have number two. So, Koi, we will listen again. Okay, we will listen again. Are you
Yeah.
ready? Okay, let's listen.
2,
It's 6:30 in the evening. I'm at home. I'm listening to music. We eat dinner at 7 o'clock. I'm hungry. I want spaghetti. When do you eat dinner?
All right. So, Koi, I want you to read it. Please read.
It's 6:30.
30. 30.
30 in the evening.
Yes.
I'm at home. I'm listening to music.
Yes. Yeah.
Where is
We
we is Disney. Dinner
dinner. Yeah.
at 7 o'clock.
7. Again, 7.
7 o'clock. I'm hungry.
Hungry. Hungry.
Hungry.
Hungry. Again, hungry.
Hungry. Hungry.
Yes.
I want
I want spaghetti. Spaghetti.
spaghetti.
Yes.
Spaghetti. We do. When do you eat dinner?
Yes. All right. So, Koi, do you understand it? Do you understand it? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, really? Okay, that's good. That's good. All right. So, Koi, who is he? Who is he? What's his name?
Mike.
He
He
is.
is Mike.
Yes, that's right. He is Mike. And what time? What time is it? What time is it at Mike's house? What time?
6, 7 o'clock.
Oh no. What time is it?
6, 6, 30 in the evening.
Yeah, it's 6:30. This is 7 o'clock. How about this one? How about this one, Koi? What time is it?
8 o'clock.
Oh no, not that's not 8 o'clock. This is 8 o'clock. This is 8 o'clock. What time is this one? It's 7 o'clock. Okay, this is 7 o'clock. This is 7 o'clock and this is 8 o'clock. Okay? Okay, Koi?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. So again, what time is it? It's 6:30 in the evening. It's 6:30 in the evening.
6:30 in the evening.
Yeah, so Koi, where is Mike? Where
Mike.
is he? Where is he? Where?
He is Mike.
Yeah, but that's his name. Where is Mike? Where is he? Where?
At home.
He is. He is.
He at home.
He is at home. He is at home. Can you say that? He is at home. Can you say that? He is at home.
He is at home.
Yeah, good job. He is at home. What is Mike doing? Koi. What is Mike doing?
He listening to music.
Yes, that's right. He is listening to music. He is listening to music.
He is listening to music.
Good job. And what time? What time do they eat dinner? What time do they eat dinner?
7 o'clock.
Yeah. Do you understand it? They eat. Can you say that? They eat dinner at 7 o'clock. Can you say that?
They
Yeah. They eat dinner. What
they
time?
eat dinner at 7 o'clock.
Yes, that's right. So they eat dinner at 7 o'clock. How about you? How about you, Corey? What time do you eat dinner? Corey, you. What time do you eat dinner? 6 o'clock? Do you eat dinner at 6 o'clock?
7 o'clock.
What?
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock? But you said you had eaten dinner. You said you had eaten dinner.
6 o'clock.
You ate dinner at 6 o'clock, but you usually eat at 7 o'clock.
Bây giờ thì khác, lúc kia thì khác.
Hmm? Okay, you eat dinner at 6 o'clock. All right. Oh no, we only have 2 minutes left. All right. So what does Mike want to eat? What does he want to eat? What does Mike want to eat? What does he want to eat? What does he want to eat? What does he want to eat?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti, that's right. How about you? What do you want to eat? How about you, Koi? What do you want to eat?
Chicken.
Chicken. All right. All right. Co- should I do you want me to give you homework? Koi, do you want me to give you homework? Yes?
Yes,
Yeah, all right.
that
So
I
maybe
do.
yeah, okay, so that will be your homework. I'm going to give you your homework. So for your homework, please record a video telling discussing your favorite food. Record 20-second video discussing your favorite food. Okay? Okay? Koi? Okay? Okay? You will record it and send it to me the next time. Okay? Uh-huh. Um, you will record a video and then your mom will send it to me on Zalo. Okay? Okay, Koi? Okay?
Yes,
Okay.
I do.
All right. All right. So I will end this call first and then I will call again for your brother. Okay? Okay, Koi?
Bye, teacher.
All right. Goodbye. See you next time. Good
Bye.
job, Koi. Good job. Bye-bye. Bye.
Mm.
I will call.
Good evening, teacher.
Yeah, thank you. Bye-bye. I will call again. Okay? Wait. I will end this call first and I will call again. Okay? Okay? Coin, I will end this call and I will call again. Okay?